back to Godamus Cooking Show, part number 4. That's what I'm making. It's not even a cooking show because to me this isn't cooking. To me this used to be cooking. Putting stuff in the microwave, eating top ramen, bologna sandwiches, nights on the beach with your mom, cottage cheese in the lake. Hey! This is what I'm making in the microwave. Better enjoy it. I'm filming the whole thing. You know why? Because sometimes in life, you just gotta make the right decisions, okay? You gotta eat this stuff. And it sucks. And it sucks. Don't mind that. That was just scissors that fell, that were up on the microwave. It's no big deal. Heat up a hot water bowl full of this sauce. Put hot water, scorching hot water from the sink, or you can boil it, but that would be pointless. Whew. And they're hot. Ready to go. And then just rip these open. I swear I already put them in for I literally already put them in for 3 minutes. Now I can't even open these damn packs, bro. Hold on. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be really mad. Man, tastes like freaking oranges. I'm not gonna take a sample because it's probably gonna be really hot. Again, sorry this isn't a real video. Thanks for watching, subscribing if you haven't already. Pork egg rolls, Jade Dragon. There's 4 in here. And actually cool that actually shows how many's in there. There's 2 left. 2 packets. Probably a lot. 360 milligrams of sodium. It's a lot, but anyways.